How do you connect to OneDrive in Tableau? In this example, I'm connected to a CSV sitting in my OneDrive account named Sample Superstore. Let's take a look at how to do this in Tableau. First, we need to click Data, New Data Source. I'm going to search for OneDrive and select OneDrive as my data source. I'm going to open a tab in my browser. Make sure you go to your tab in your browser that opens by default and sign into your account. I've now authenticated into OneDrive and I can close my browser out, and I have the option of which file do I want to choose. I want to connect to Sample Superstore. It's executing query. Now I'm connected to Sample Superstore. Go to a new sheet, and I can build charts as I want. So I can grab a region, put it on columns, sales onto rows, and I have a bar chart of sales by region in a connection from OneDrive. Hope this helps.